Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on insights on Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, you have to click on the menu icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. On your menu, you have to scroll down towards the end until you see the account type and tools. Now you have to click on switch to professional account. Click on continue. Now you have to select the category that describes you the best. I will just choose the first one. Then click on OK. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds until your request is being processed. Now you have to select the category of which your Instagram account is. I will choose the creator. Click on OK. Now click on next. Now you can very simply click on the cross icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now your account is converted to a professional account. So now if you want to turn on your insights, you again have to click on the menu. Now scroll down and you will see the insights. So now as you can see, by doing this, you have very easily turned on your insights on Instagram. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.